Hello, everyone. My name is Victor, um, and my speech is about our health in America and why being a vegetarian for 1 month can help your diet and your overall physical health. About 5 months ago, I felt lethargic, tired, and I just didn't feel right. So I did some research online, and I discovered that being a vegetarian can help your overall physical well-being. So today I'm going to discuss the need to reduce health risk factors associated with consuming animal protein from meat sources, how to accomplish this, and what results you'll see. Due to our poor diets, there's a critical need in the United States to significantly enhance our overall physical health. I think you'll find this statistic interesting. According to the University of Alabama at Birmingham's website, which I accessed on July 17th, 2024, most Americans eat less vegetables, fruits, whole grains, dairy products, and oils than recommended. According to the Harvard Public Health website, which I accessed on the same day, processed foods and poor diets are making Americans sick, leading to over a staggering 678,000 deaths in our country. That's more than smoking. Now that you see why Americans must eat healthier, let's look at some examples of why a healthy vegetarian diet can help. Being a vegetarian can lower these statistics and improve our overall physical health. A study published on the National Library of Medicine's website that I accessed on July 18th states that most environmental contaminants are frequently found in the meats that we consume. And ingesting those meat products significantly causes specific kinds of cancers, especially colon cancer. So being vegetarian is medically proven to prevent certain cancers, including colon cancer. Published on PETA's website, which I accessed on July 18th, an interesting article written by Deborah Wilson, where she stated some findings linking eating meat to obesity. According to Dr. Wilson, meat eaters have 3 times the obesity rate of vegetarians, which I found very interesting. And meat eaters are more at risk for heart disease, stroke, arthritis, and cancer. On the same website, Dr. Wilson quotes Dr. T. Campbell of Cornell University, and he's a world-leading epidemiologist. Dr. Campbell states the more you substitute plant-based foods for animal foods, the healthier you're likely to be, and the longer that you'll live. It's easy to substitute meat for plant-based foods, and it's more delicious than you would imagine. So it's obvious that eating healthier and avoiding meat is much healthier for us, but let's look at the outcomes. If we eat healthy, more American lives will be saved. If not, the number of preventable deaths in this country will continue to rise, and we will be putting future generations at risk as well. So we have to think about our children and the future of our country. Let's take a look at some benefits. The Harvard Health website, which I accessed on July 18th, states that in recent years, the pendulum has swung the other way in favor of vegetarianism, and the studies are confirming the health benefits of meat-free eating. Let me give you some examples from that website. Vegetarians have lower risk of cardiac events. They're 25% less likely to have cardiac events or heart disease. And being a vegetarian reduces your risks of type 2 diabetes and cancer. As well, vegetarians consume less saturated fat, and they have lower bad cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure because of it. And they're most likely not going to develop obesity. Eating healthy and avoiding meat is economically sound, and it saves you money. So some negative effects: if you don't follow a healthy diet, more people will die needlessly due to following a meat-based diet. You'll have a poor quality of life. You'll feel unhealthy and sickly, and you will run the risk of getting cancer. So, and meat and animal flesh are more expensive than a vegetarian diet, so you'll be spending more money in the long run. In conclusion, now that you have a better understanding of the need to be conscious of what we eat, how being a vegetarian can accomplish this, and the life-saving and life-extending outcomes we can expect to see, I implore you, the next time that you shop at a grocery store, buy some vegetarian foods like eggs, milk, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and even tofu. Give vegetarianism a try just for 1 month. and just see how amazing you'll feel by the end of this dietary experiment. I promise you'll not only save your bank account, but more importantly, precious years of your life. Thank you for listening.
All right, thanks, Victor. Good job.